Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're entering Montrose Road. We're just coming off SEYMOUR Avenue. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another driving video. We're in Kingston. We're in the Golden Triangle right now, and we just came off SEYMOUR Avenue where a development is happening. 22 SEYMOUR Avenue. I recently did a video on that. It's on the channel. You can check it out. And we just passed Zen at SEYMOUR as well. I did a video on that, so I'll put the links in the description too. Right now we're just driving around the community, just showing you guys what's happening in this area of Kingston. Right now we'll be heading down to the new AC Hotel. We're gonna drive past that as well. There's also, before I mention, this is the IDB on the left, International Development Bank. It was recently built. So now we head down to AC Hotel, and we're on Montrose Avenue. So this is the intersection of Montrose Avenue and Seaview Avenue. So again guys, if you're new and you're seeing where the subscribe button is still red, just turn it gray. It doesn't take anything to click subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel to 6,000 subscribers before September 1st. So the sooner the better. So you subscribing will surely help that number. Remember to leave a comment in terms of what you think about the video, what you think about the area. And remember to like the video and share the video as well. Alright, so we're approaching the new AC Hotel and also the ATL Automotive Group. So as usual, another biker just. So that's the ATL Autobahn on the left, home to BMW and Mini Cooper, and this is the AC Hotel on the left. And as usual, we saw a few moments ago where a biker ran the red light. It's the norm, which shouldn't be, but it's the norm on the road. Alright, so we're now entering Trafalgar Road, and then from Trafalgar we'll go down Worthington. So again, just taking a drive with you guys, showing you around the place as well. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. And if you feel like you want to donate to the channel, completely optional, we have PayPal and other options as well. And of course, we're trying to get a drone for the channel. So every video you share, every video you like, every comment you make, every donation you make will definitely help with that regard. So this is the intersection at Worthington Avenue and Trafalgar. So Spanish Court to the right and UCC group of schools to the left. There's a lot of apartments on this road as well, and then coming up on the right is a new construction. I need to do a video update on it soon. The last time I checked, I think someone mentioned it's a BPO facility, but I'm not sure as yet. But I'll give you guys an update soon on the construction on the right. I did a video on it before, so I'll link that in the description and the comments. So Worthington Crescent. Then we have Aining Road on the right. Alright, so this road will bring us straight down to Oxford Road. So we'll come out right at ATL Automotive. That's their other branch, which has Audi. It has VW and Kia. We're now at the Oxford Road intersection, and we have the ATL Automotive Group in front of us, home to Audi, as I mentioned, VW and Kia. That's where we at. So we're going down Ripon Road, and that's ATL pre-owned vehicles. So those are like used vehicles, like 1 year old, 2 year old. So this is Ripon Road, and this now brings us into Crossroad. So this road is a bit bumpy, so I'm driving extra slow. Alright, so this is Eureka Crescent, and now this brings us into Crossroad. Alright guys, so this was a drive from SEYMOUR Avenue down into Crossroad, Kingston. So I just took a different route to show you guys around. So we're now in Crossroads. And if you've watched the video this far, just remember to like, subscribe, share, and definitely leave a comment as well. Alright, so we're in Crossroads. Thanks for watching, and see you on another driving video.